beginnings on the cusp.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Rosario. So dito tayo magsisimula magmotor papuntang Ilocos Sur. So pagpunta natin Ilocos Sur, pupuntahan natin yung mga dealers natin, mga resellers natin. At the same time, makikitambay tayo sa mga tropa natin doon.
Made bank, move G, anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword, swinging blades at these scrubs. Bitches flock like bugs to the light, getting right. Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got a type. Off top, bullshitting, all I needed was a mic.
Hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Sur, Santa Lucia. So kasama natin si Ian. Si Ian yung distributor dito sa Ilocos Sur. Then si Daryl, siya naman yung owner nitong Garabilis na motor shop. So available dito yung K-workz natin at soon available din dito yung RDNA and Petronas.
Focus on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Like,
So take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be.
Hello, nandito tayo sa J&G Motor Shop dito sa Candon, Ilocos Sur. Kasama natin si Sir RD tsaka si Ian. So dito sa shop na to available yung K-workz products natin.
Everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead. Picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my...
Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Edson Motor Shop sa Santiago, Ilocos Sur. So available din dito yung K-workz products.
We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter.
isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody dates a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Like,
Natapos yung day 1 namin dito sa pagtambay sa Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. So, biglaan, nagkaya ng tambay dito, nakitambay tayo gamit yung Giorno. So, maraming salamat sa mga tropa na nakatambayan dito. So, bukas, Vigan naman tayo. Good morning, dito naman tayo sa Santa Maria, Ilocos Sur. So, dito tayo sa SEC Motor Shop. Available din dito yung K-workz products natin, tsaka yung RDNA. Nandito naman tayo sa Race Life, Antay, Ilocos Sur. So, available din dito yung K-workz products. Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Santo Domingo, Ilocos Sur, sa Saud Motor Shop. Available din dito yung K-workz products natin. Hello, nandito tayo ngayon sa Bantay, Ilocos Sur, sa Z Concept. So, si Z Concept siya yung #1 dealer dito sa Ilocos Sur. Then available sa kanya yung K-workz, RDNA, and Petronas tinta. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Vigan, so nakatambay tayo kasama mga tropa. Di ko alam anong concept nila dito, kung may Thailand, circuit, tsaka yung mga pan-daily. So nagkataon lang na nagsama-sama kami dito at ngayon magbibigay kami ng konting parapol.
Money, money. It's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.